Hi there. My name is Shreya, and I'm a docent at the California Academy of Sciences. And I thought we could take a few minutes today to talk about one of the Academy's most popular residents, the African penguin. Now, when you hear African penguin, what do you think that could say about where these birds may live? Well, if you said Africa, you are absolutely correct. More specifically, the southern tip of Africa. See if you can find that on a map. So let's take a look at these birds' environment and see if we can make a few observations about where they live. All right, here's a colony of penguins. What do you notice in the picture? I see a big sandy beach. I see the ocean nearby. I see some really big boulders or rocks. And it looks like a really nice hot day, doesn't it? Looks like good weather to me. So you may be thinking, wait a minute, where is the snow? Where is the ice? I thought penguins lived in cold weather. Well, not all species of penguins live in cold weather, and the African penguins are one of the species that actually live in places, just like you see in this picture, warm beach weather. So what unique adaptations could these birds have to survive in their more warmer environment? Let's take a closer look, shall we? Here's an African penguin. Now, do you notice this pink patch above its eye? Well, all African penguins have those pink patches above both their eyes, and they're called glands. The way these glands work is on a really hot day, the penguin's body sends all of its blood up to these pink areas. And you can tell because it gets a nice bright color when the blood rushes there. Because this pink patch isn't hidden under thick skin or feathers, the blood actually comes in really close contact with the air outside. And because the air is cooler outside, it helps cool the blood down. The blood then goes to the rest of the penguin's body and helps cool the whole penguin down. So that's a unique adaptation to these African penguins. But there's another one that you'd probably see if you have a pet dog at home. So on a hot day, have you noticed what your dog may do? Maybe stick its tongue out and pant really loudly, right? Well, these penguins do the exact same thing. Although I don't think they make as good a pet as your dog does, so I'd stick with the dog. So that's just an example of how these penguins adapt to their warmer weather. So now that you know how these penguins can adapt to hot weather, I challenge you to go find out how cold weather penguins adapt to their much colder environment. Thank you for listening.